What is NoSQL? NoSQL is a term used to describe high-performance, non-relational database. NoSQL databases utilize a variety of data models, including document, graph, key value, and columnar. NoSQL databases are widely recognized for ease of development, scalable performance, high availability, and resilience. Types of NoSQL. There are a couple of NoSQL database types like document databases, graph stores, key value stores, and wide column stores. Document databases pair each key with a complex data structure known as a document. Documents can contain many different key value pairs or key array pairs or even nested documents. Graph stores. Graph stores are used to store information about networks of data such as social connections. Graph stores include Neo4j and GeoGraph. Key value stores are the simplest NoSQL databases. Every single item in the database is stored as an attribute name or key, together with its value. Examples of key value stores are BarclayDB, Redis, Riak. Some key value stores such as Redis allows each value to have a type such as integer, string, list, which adds functionality. Wide column stores such as Cassandra, HBase are optimized for queries over large datasets and store columns of data together in a state of rows. NoSQL versus RDBMS by technology trend. By the data of Google Trends, a comparison between NoSQL and RDBMS since 2004 analyst. Here, since 2010, NoSQL has been beaten RDBMS, and still now NoSQL is far better than RDBMS, superior compared to RDBMS. NoSQL versus RDBMS by feature. RDBMS is rigid where NoSQL is flexible. In RDBMS looks at parts where NoSQL looks at a whole. RDBMS are relational, NoSQL is object-oriented. RDBMS is structured, but NoSQL is semi-structured. RDBMS is mature, NoSQL is emerging. RDBMS is stable, and NoSQL is scalable, and RDBMS is consistent, and where NoSQL is eventually consistent. NoSQL versus RDBMS by application, utilization. In every aspect of RDBMS, NoSQL can be utilized. But in the scopes of IoT, social graphs, gaming, key value store, document databases, column family store, in these areas NoSQL performs better than RDBMS.